Hey guys, what's going on?
Wait a minute, I gotta take my hat off. This is only.
What do you think?
This is only to keep bugs.
What do you think you fall in love?
The
You bunch of hey, you bunch of head there.
hat is actually protective because last time I had a tick bite,
Yeah.
it was on my chest. You know how I got there?
Okay.
I fell on my hat, okay,
Wow.
went down to my shoulder,
Yeah.
crawled up my shirt, and down to
Yeah. Yeah.
Fortunately, I had a perfect bullseye.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Yeah. No. I get it, man. I get it. That's what being outside would do to you. But anyhow, listen, look. We're growing beets here, guys. Torpedopot.com. We have self-growing planters that grows your food for you. Don't forget to mention. And this is my neighbor here. I'll let him introduce himself. I think you're some type of engineer or something like that.
I am a retired electrical engineer.
You said so proud. Which is good.
I'm proud that I retired at age 57. And I'm still not bored.
Cheers to that one. Look. Sorry, we're not drunks. We're just simply enjoying life. Just watching it play out. So
The beet juice is excellent.
now, what do you put your beet juice in? How do you cook it? What's going on? Tell us about it.
I don't cook it all. My wife does all my cooking.
All right, but what about this beet salad you're talking about with the goat cheese and stuff? Is that a specialty for a particular group of individuals, German or something? Or?
I wouldn't know what its origin is.
Okay.
All I know is that one of my favorite restaurants, okay, that's what's there, and I've learned to love it, and most of the time that's what I like.
Now, what do they do? Joe, do they just dice the beets up and just put the goat cheese on top, or do they cook it or heat it up or something like that?
It's a good question, and I'm not sure what the answer is, but
Okay.
often you see beets sort of sliced.
Okay.
That's not what
Are
it
they
is.
soft or hard?
Okay. It's soft.
It's soft? Okay.
Okay.
Not pickled,
So
though.
they
Not
do-
pickled.
I don't think it has a pickled taste to
Really?
it.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm going to get you to go to a Straight Dog Tavern sometime.
I get you and have to use some beets.
Hey, maybe you could sell me some beets.
Well, dude, we're growing enough of them. You know that, right? All right, so I brought Joe out here because we grew these beets from seeds. Normally, ladies and gentlemen, we normally get from one planter, we might get about 30 beets. That's what we got last year from one planter. So I have a total of about 100 beets here. But I'm going to pull one out for my buddy. He's my neighbor. He's my friend. And I'm going to let him see the beet. Now, you probably have not been and seen good food like this before. But we're going to find out. All right, here, this is yours. Can you pull that out here? You're a farmer.
I used to farm. Never a farm.
I'll hold that. You got it? All right, so just grab it right there. And you got to twist it, move it out of there, pull it out of there. Come on, man.
I can't find the beet.
There it is. Oh, right here. Just look, grab right here. I'm sorry. Just grab right here. My hands there. Yes, sir, right there. Now grab and pull that out.
No.
Yeah, man, just pull that out.
Aha.
Oh, dude,
It's under there,
look
isn't
at
it?
you.
It
Look
was
at that.
buried.
Give me, I'll hold the cup. Give me, okay. Shake the dirt off in there. And this is from seeds, okay, guys? Oh, no, I eat that too. Oh, well, you don't eat that, do you? I eat the leaf.
You really do?
Yes, I do.
Well, that's a habit I'm going to have to develop
It's
later,
so healthy.
later in life. I can believe it's healthy.
You said later, like, how later
When
you
when I'm taking this home,
You what?
wash.
Show the people what you got first.
What do you? This is a genuine red beet.
See,
Right
look
from
closer,
the-
they can show it.
Right from the base of the plant.
Damn, look at that. That's beautiful,
Yeah,
man.
It's very large, too.
Dude, look at that.
Good size.
Oh my God, thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Look at that. I love
Would you
that.
stop filming me now?
You so much. Look.
When I find that on the
Dude.
internet.
Look, man, they're probably gonna like say bad things about me because we're not eating this. Like, you're wasting food, Mr. Addison. Yeah, don't worry about it. I'll get back around to it. Guys, I'll come back for this, okay? Just want to make sure Joe's okay. Listen, Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Again, forgive us. Life is short, guys, and too much commotion. If God offers you another day, learn to take part of that day and say, hey, you know what? Whatever comes my way, I'm going to lower down my defenses, and I'm going to make life out of it what it really is. And coming head on and clashing and talking and sharing ideas, that's what life's all about. Am I wrong, Joe?
You're all right.
Anything you want to add to that, sir?
No, I will accept that exactly as it is because it makes perfect sense.
Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.